Might not be out here for long at all because it is very, very cold. My hands are absolutely destroyed. So I'm just gonna drop that down a little bit. I don't know this guy. I don't even know if he'll come out. But we will find out. It's terribly cold. I already think I want to go home, but let's do a little more. With 70, can we get that? Right. I don't even know. Can you guys see? Probably not, eh? Try to loosen that up a little bit. Even with gloves, dude, it's like, doesn't even matter. Come on. We are getting close to that coffee shop that I could use a pit stop at. Some random. Do we have the compression? We probably don't, but with the crop we do. Goodness me. I'm ready to go home. Guys, I really tried, you know what I'm saying? I absolutely tried. I really wanted to do this. Like, I wanted it to be a daily thing too. But in negative God knows how much. I think we're like minus 20 right now. It's extremely challenging to do this. Extremely challenging. The Hall and Co. So guys, what ended up happening there is my phone died. It was at 70 something percent. Lo and behold, the next time I turn it on, it's at 20%. Now I have a feeling that has something to do with the fact that it was a solid minus 16 or whatever when I was outside. And I only got 7 minutes and a half of footage, but I stayed out for longer. And I got some extra shots. Enjoy the next shots.
All that I can feel is my heart beating quickly, oh so quickly. Oh, and here we go again. I will be here at the end when we're standing on the edge. You go right and
Not gonna lie. I didn't even realize my phone was dead. I just kept doing my thing, and I eventually had to go inside. Like, it was way too cold. I had to go inside. I went to the coffee shop, and I sort of talked to the guy at the front. Talked to him for like 15 minutes, and then my phone turned on, and I could review the footage, and I was like, wow, that was a fail. But it was a successful fail. Definitely a successful fail for me. Honestly, I've been meaning to do more street photography. I just want to go outside, move, be creative, do more, practice. It's all practice at the end of the day. You know, you go outside and you shoot random stuff. If it looks good, you know you're doing the right stuff. If it doesn't look good, then you know you need to improve. How do you improve? You practice. You learn. You practice. Learn. So yeah, that's the whole plan. I'm gonna try to keep doing it, and more YouTube videos, probably more YouTube videos. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Shot by Sai. I'll post my pictures there. Definitely smash the like button, guys. Help me blow up. Help me blow up. Yeah. No, but seriously, if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.